Okay, for the independent landlord who owns single-family homes, this is why you need to make sure before you buy the property that it's going to generate a positive cash flow, because you will have major expenses that come along. This past week I spent $3,400 to put this hot water heater, to replace the hot water heater. Tenant called up, I think it was Thursday, no hot water. By Monday we had this installed, $3,400 including tax. Cash was in the account, so paid for the repair and moved on. But you need to make sure you're generating positive cash flow, because I've learned the hard way, these expenses can come up, surprise you, and if you don't have the cash, you can get in trouble fast. I've replaced HVAC, I've replaced the roof, I've replaced the furnace. Nice house in a nice neighborhood, but just a little heads up. Don't be cash flow negative or even break even unless you're planning on paying for these major repairs that will happen some other way.